Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a clear business page. Pick a precise name and category, upload a sharp profile image, and a branded cover. Once done, add contact details, hours, and a short description so visitors understand you immediately. Next, claim and verify your website domain inside Business Manager so pixels and ads work reliably. Make sure to assign page roles now. Give at least one backup admin and require two-factor authentication to protect access while you prepare content and campaigns. You now connect tracking and content systems. Install the Facebook Pixel and optionally Conversions API to capture events for ads and optimization. Then design content pillars, educational, promotional, and community, and create a schedule so you post consistently. Use Creator Studio or Meta Business Suite to queue posts. At the same time, enable commerce features if you sell, set a clear CTA button, pin your top post, and turn on messaging templates to speed responses and improve lead capture and customer experience. You launch with a focused ad campaign. Choose one objective, define a precise audience, set a conservative budget, and test two creatives with a /B splits. Once live, monitor CTR, CPC, ROAS, and conversion rate daily at first, then adjust targeting, creative, or landing pages weekly based on performance. If things break, a common fix is to verify the pixel fires on the right events, confirm ad account permissions and payment, and review ad disapproval reasons. Clear browser cache and recheck settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.